Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you the full scoop on the products you're curious about. Today, we're exploring a lip product that promises to be both bold and hydrating. The Estee Lauder Pure Color Explicit Long-Lasting Slick Shine Slim Lipstick in the shade Out of Time. With its high shine finish and plumping effects, let's see if this lipstick truly lives up to the hype. This lipstick is designed to be an all-around solution for those of us who crave both color and care. The shade Out of Time is a soft pink with neutral undertones, making it versatile for various skin tones and perfect for both everyday wear and more polished looks. If you're someone who wants hydration and a bit of a plumping effect without the sticky feel of some glosses, this might just be what you've been looking for. One of the standout features of this lipstick is the slick shine finish. The texture feels smooth and lightweight on the lips, which is ideal for those who don't want a heavy or cakey feeling, but still want the glossy, high shine effect. It glides on effortlessly, and the color payoff is impressive right from the first swipe. I've worn this lipstick both during the day and into the evening, and I can say it holds up quite well in terms of color longevity. While it doesn't claim to be transfer-proof, it does last longer than you might expect for a product with such a shine finish. Now, let's talk about that plumping effect. While I didn't experience the full plumping sensation like some lip products with intense tingle, there's definitely a noticeable smoothness to the lips that adds a touch of fullness. It's more about subtle hydration and a fuller look rather than an intense plumping effect. But if you're looking for comfort with a bit of a volumizing touch, this lipstick hits the mark. In terms of usability, this lipstick is a breeze to apply. The slim design makes it easy to precisely apply, even on the go. It feels comfortable throughout the day, not too heavy, but still providing that glossy, moisturized feel. I did find that it requires a little touch-up after eating or drinking, but considering its high shine formula, that's pretty typical. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, this lipstick delivers a gorgeous high shine finish without the stickiness of glosses. The color payoff is beautiful and true to the shade you see in the tube, and it's super easy to apply with its slim precision tip. On the downside, it does require some reapplication throughout the day, especially if you're eating or drinking. Additionally, while it does provide a bit of plumping, don't expect it to give you an intense pout. It's more of a subtle fullness. Now, when it comes to value for money, Estee Lauder's pricing tends to be on the premium side, and this lipstick is no exception. However, for the quality and overall performance, it's definitely worth the investment, especially if you're looking for a hydrating lipstick that also delivers a beautiful shine. It's a great choice for those who want a lipstick that performs well without the dryness that some matte lipsticks can cause. For those of you who are considering alternatives, there are some other great options out there. But Estee Lauder really stands out in terms of the combination of hydration, shine, and a high-end feel. If you're willing to splurge, this lipstick is a solid choice. So what's the final verdict? The Estee Lauder Pure Color Explicit Long-Lasting Slick Shine Slim Lipstick delivers on its promises of hydration, high shine finish, and a subtle plumping effect. It's perfect for those who want a versatile, everyday lipstick that's easy to apply and comfortable to wear. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially if you're after a product that combines both beauty and care in one sleek package. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, detailed reviews like this one. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.